wudi gum amade na etu aye den etumi aye adwuma. That was the case we faced. I decided to dedicate my page to just speak the truth. Ewo mu na eja mo amu hu ye ni na ekoto aba. Ansa na ye ekoto aba mo amu follow me no me ye adwuma kakra o me page so. Ye to aba wie ye NDC for so mo ntia ase. Na me ye videos bi ene no me pese ye bebo kakra as we are here so that people would know how our political zone we know God has brought us to be. First and foremost, mantis our page we say me de be propaganda and me de be kasa ama MPP nkwa debi. Me ideologies and ideology I mean ya adwene MPP for. Okay, but me ti page we say memma no kre na de di ama ye nuano mu asebi ye ntimi nkan na yate ase no. That was why this page was formed, so that people can get to know the truth. And utina na jo me spend countless hours na me dey research nkrofo adeda na homache na me research na nkrofo bisa me to ya den na oda to bring you people the truth. Ya to abawie ye ni na ye wo ho ene ye hu ye maame Marie Boadu wono de o kan ne ma e de won share dem say ye nuano mu gu Ghana de almost storm out nkokon me too many see so ka kire ne say me mama na ejai sansem hunu no say de ono aso akodwa ni NDC but akodwa ni no awusu akodwa ni apatekuo ku enti ene wunim obeka positive akoma NDC a ade e beti no ho say there be certain no wom no mu ye there's adwene no wo fom nti no no ase aba no ase atwa no ho no ne okon ene Marie ka samba ko for NDC ade e beti no atwe NDC ni ba ko aguo no ne ne ko Marie go far away because you know why their intention was not to build Ghana. Her intention was to disgrace Nanado. Her intention was to disgrace Oforiata. Her intention was to denigrate the whole family.
I say, one no about Ghana, so I watch a scamming bidder. I got a YouTube, I met Ghana, memory. Niti Chroma memory. A baby, I'm ska. John Mama about Cheska. And you do to be check. And then move take away. Do to be check any pine. Do to be check. Eba chama. Do to be check. Oh, and no matter what, mommy, you say, the uncophobia and moi. Party when I'm war. You want to come with them. Or for me, Pachanga, your mamma, any in this room to be changed. And to wait in a Ghana beauty, Mre. Okada, Pragia, a government with policies. They will come and bring you Pragia, Okada. What do you call it? You might win 1 million to why? And I don't know. Winning 2 million to why? Now, none of Binana China, what's going on here? Accident now, the Pragia di Kubino. What you know, call be fast woo ye. But Sika win and out. Sao Pana, your mamma, the man, call your phone. Me Pachani and you take it. Or the face Ghana. Saka, you're now open with your Quasia Penny Chimia. What was it? Your baby, my Jomama Bagana. Ghana must be faced. A poor Jomama Bear President Ghana facing. What wrong? What wrong? Oh, said other kind of Sereno and I move it at them. That is fair become what is not them. Yes, you do matter. Me, money and Yenny, what the Ghana or bread. And you could find my bread. Me, my bread from you, crab brim. I know. It is a woman, me a bra poor. Now, so my me praying, and now, who, what baby, any pa, a poor good father, MPP by power, and now to me espresso as somebody we call say, Bemushe, a good father by power, go with me espresso say, somebody we know say, you are common sense family, a poor NDC did your mama about power now way. Ni cheni ase Bemushe, a poor fruit. So, my yes, I would chimina, would chimina. mu go otumfo ni mase kwase ampanyini wo di mi kasati asante God say on respondo because o sadoya e be respondo a o ya MPP ni asante ni bia e coward. Some of them, not all of them, some of our Ashantis, they are coward not to respond to you, a motherfucker. And you people got audacity to go to Ayinfie. Can't the chief if you over Ayinfie? No, Koboni Mwase. No, what Timochi, no, any Chimibum. What are you talking about? You claim to hate Ashantis, but you are living in Ashanti origin. Are you normal? You claim to hate the Otumfo, but you go to Otumfo Palace. Are you normal? You claim to love Domahiri, but you don't go to Domahiri Palace. Are you normal? Or you know what politics? Any Domahiri? Or no man so na me poni dia na ne de eba. Me poni dia na ne de eba. Na me pa so. Na what you ya? Na bie German. Me be kan twi we de nya tawidi e twi. E twi pa me fa ne ma ba mu she de mu. Enti me sramo. Me nuamu amu MPP Empire ukona uko bompire say nyame muana MPP form fa ba omiabra na no de omo ya we say ba omiabra president the NDC gu because that political trouble na chom they all know say ba omiabra president ya they know say their political trouble they are trying to do against MPP is always damage. Because the Baumia, you know, the Islam, you know, say MPP, they bring Islam as a leader to MPP. The MPP, I know, no, they change Islam youth, their life. They are not educated. And then, bonfo. And then, omuko school, obiko makalante we otimiko secondary school be ope Ghana. Otimi a prayer school be adi ohian so betwa. Islam youth they have knowledge. Many what the classroom now no be free zongo betra classroom. You have to know say this person who problem one only me resam tro obetwa. And so you school na nya support. NDC was in power. NDC couldn't help any none of them. But they are polluting their mindset. They are polluting their, you know, them to be love NDC like NDC is from North. And a day, and a Santa for party, and a North for party, one a catch out. Baumia, see how Otumfo received this man. Mother Traba, Samuel. And I'm going to say party needing. Then we say to me forward. Mr. Parker, which is also Bobo, Ben Michel. But catch him a raging crowd Bobo or so.